Can a plunger cause more blockage if not used correctly? A plunger can indeed make blockages worse when used improperly because incorrect technique can force an obstruction farther into the drain or damage pipe seals. Start by removing standing water if it is within reach, but leave enough to cover the plunger cup so you get a good hydraulic seal. Position the plunger vertically over the drain and press down slowly to expel trapped air before pulling up sharply to create suction. Repeat steady, forceful strokes rather than frantic jabs. Avoid using a plunger that is designed for a different fixture, for example, a cup plunger for a toilet or a flange plunger for a sink, since the wrong shape will not seal and will reduce effectiveness. Do not plunge with air only because that compresses and can drive a loose object deeper into the trap or main line. Keep the head submerged and maintain a solid seal against the surface. If you feel resistance, change to a gentler approach and reassess with a flashlight or drain camera if available, and call a professional when manual methods do not produce movement after a few controlled attempts. After clearing, flush with plenty of hot water to help move sludge and restore flow while checking for any slow leaks or recurring backup, which can indicate a deeper problem. Common mistakes include using a plunger with an incomplete seal, which wastes effort and can push blockages deeper. So ensure the cup is fully covering the drain and that water level is adequate before plunging. Another frequent issue is applying excessive force or rapid thrusts, which can dislodge or damage pipes and seals. Use measured downward pressure, then a quick pull to generate suction without hammering the system. A third concern is plunging when a solid foreign object is present, because that can compact the object or push it past the trap. So if plunging does not move, the obstruction within a few controlled cycles, switch to inspection or professional extraction to avoid worsening the blockage. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a place to discuss issues like plumbing risks and techniques. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical advice. And we help contractors find work by listing projects and fostering connections.